Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably staring at that annoying LG TV error code 201 on your screen, and it's driving you crazy. Don't worry. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about this error and how to fix it step by step. This code often pops up on LG TVs, especially newer models from 2025 onwards, and it usually points to issues like software glitches, connectivity problems, or even a simple firmware update that's needed. First off, let's break down what error code 201 means. In LG TVs, this error typically indicates a problem with the TV's internal software or a failure in communication between the TV and its connected devices. It could be caused by outdated firmware, a loose HDMI cable, or even a temporary glitch. The good news is that most of the time, it's fixable at home without needing a technician. Let's dive into the troubleshooting steps. Start by turning off your TV using the remote or the power button, wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This simple restart often clears minor glitches. If that doesn't work, check all your cables. Make sure your HDMI, power, and any other connections are securely plugged in. Dust or loose wires can cause this error, so give everything a quick inspection. Next, try updating your TV's firmware. Go to the Settings menu, select Support or About this TV, and look for a software update option. Download and install any available updates, as LG frequently releases patches for errors like this. If you're still seeing the error, perform a factory reset, but be careful, as this will erase your personalized settings. To do this, go to Settings, General, Reset to Initial Settings, and follow the prompts. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it might be a hardware problem, like a faulty board or power supply. In that case, contact LG customer support or take your TV to a certified repair shop. Remember, always unplug your TV before messing with cables to avoid any electrical risks. There you have it. Error code 201 doesn't have to ruin your viewing experience. Try these fixes, and let me know in the comments if they worked for you or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.